Hello. In this video, we'll see how to use the portfolio deep dive function in FundSage. So after the landing page, you go to portfolio deep dive. This is meant to look at the companies that make up the portfolio of a given mutual fund scheme. So you can either select the fund from its categories, or you can start by typing the name of the fund, and then the portfolio shows up on the right. What's interesting here is that you can arrange it by the location or the risk score. So you can look at the companies which are poorest risk right up front or the safest ones in here, the biggest allocations and their risk scores and so on. Now, the work that we do at ASCII is built bottom up in assessing the credit risk of a mutual fund. So in assessing the credit risk of a debt mutual fund, we first assess the credit risk of the underlying companies. So each of these companies here uh, essentially is a link to that company's report. So if one were to look at a specific a company, we can double click on that, and you see a new page which describes that company's report in some detail. There is another video which describes how to read the report of a full company, but it goes to show that we have covered both uh, listed and unlisted companies. So in this, let's look at a few companies which are outside the listed world. So this is a Reliance report. There are going to be combination of uh, these reports. So the report we just saw is a listed company report. There are reports which are unlisted company report, and there are NBFCs. So we're also preparing reports separately for quasi-sovereign issuers. So in general, you'll end up seeing close to 4 different types of reports: listed report, listed non-financial, unlisted non-financial, NBFCs, and quasi-sovereign. We don't currently cover banks in our assessment, and government or government entities. So that in a nutshell is how the portfolio deep dive works.